So the order of operations for removing the seat is move the seat all the way ahead, pry out these little plastic covers. The seat bolts are under here. There. So it comes out at this tab and then pulls out. Remove the bolts in the back. Then bring the seat all the way back using power seat. Then unplug the power to the truck. Then disconnect the electrical connector at the front. You want to remove this great big connector right here.
So the way it works is there's not this wide piece of gray, but this tab right here that my pad and my fingers touching, you got to push that up. And then this lever pushes back, and that allows release of this great big connector. Okay, right on. Okay, so there's a little push pin I had to release, and now the entire seat is free of this crazy big connector.
When you're done at the front, then carry it out.